Hey, I'm Andy, and today I want to show you how to make some turmeric latte art. So let's go. Grab an 8-ounce cup and drop in 4 teaspoon measures of your Boosted Blends Turmeric Latte blend. That's about the same as 2 standard heaped teaspoons. 3, 4. Put that to one side and add some hot water. You'll need about 2 tablespoons worth. Give that a mix. This replicates the espresso. Put that to one side and grab your milk jug and your milk and pour in enough to finish off the drink. And then steam into latte consistency. Give it a tap. Get rid of any bubbles. Now's the time to show off your latte art skills. Mix in and pour through. That's how you make turmeric latte art.